Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, February 13th, and this is my analysis of the Euro US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So today is CPI inflation data for the US dollar. Definitely a big news event, one of the bigger ones of the month for sure. We're gonna have to see how this turns out. I mean, I'm definitely still very bullish on these higher time frames like the weekly and the monthly. I still think there's a very good likelihood this is going to continue its uptrend. I think it's going to eventually take out this high right here, make a nice five-way pattern to the upside. I still think it looks like an expanding flat if you zoom way out on the monthly time frame. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, we've been going down for pretty much ever since the beginning of the year, as you can see. I actually still think this right here is a trend though. I think it's a wave one. I think this is a wave two. I still believe that eventually this is going to go up. Maybe today's the day where it starts at wave three, makes a wave four, and makes a wave five, which I still think is going to all be part of that bigger pattern like I showed on the monthly time frame. So going down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame, I still kind of stick to the fact that it seems like it could possibly go down one more time. We do have that CPI inflation data coming out today. I would love to see this just shoot right up and confirm that the ABC is over, and that would be the end of a wave two and the beginning of a wave three, which means we would pretty much be looking for longs for the next several weeks, maybe even next several months, because that would be the beginning of a wave three. But we're definitely gonna have to reevaluate. I mean, it still would make a lot of sense for me if it actually did go down, touch this fib level, and then turn back up. So let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, it still looks very, very overlapping and very, very corrective to me. I guess you could possibly call this a leading diagonal wave one if you really tried, like a one, two, three, four, and five, one. Maybe this is an ABC of two. Maybe we will get lucky and today's news will cause this to go up and start a big old wave three, which would confirm to me that the wave C of wave two is over on the higher time frames and that we are going to end up continuing back up. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, I mean, I have it labeled as an ABC still, and I mean, I still kind of think the higher time frames should make a move down. So I am definitely leaning towards down at the news, but I also could count this as a leading diagonal wave one, and this is an ABC of two. So we're just gonna have to see what it does. I mean, if it does make a nice impulsive move up, stop breaking these highs, then I would say that that probably is a leading diagonal wave one. This is a wave two, and we're going up for a wave three. On the other hand, between now and the news, if it looks something like this and then makes a big aggressive turn to the downside, then that's probably an A, B, C, and this is like a one and a two of a push down. So we're just gonna have to see what the news does. I mean, I have an Elliot wave count that would work whether this turns bullish or bearish. So we're just gonna have to observe and learn and hopefully earn at the same time what it is that the market is going to do. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.